We'll guide you through how to make pop-up text animation in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the app is open, press the plus button to create a new project. Set your project settings according to your needs, such as the resolution, frame rate, and background settings. After selecting the settings, press Create Project in the bottom right corner to enter the editing workspace. When the project is ready, press the plus button and select text from the options available on the bottom right side of the screen. A text box will appear where you can enter the text that you want to animate. Type your text into the text box and then adjust the alignment according to your preference. After that, go to the font section and choose a font that you like. Once you have selected a font, adjust the size of the text box until the text appears at the desired size on the screen. Next, open the color option and choose any color that you want for your text. You can select a color that matches the style of your project. Select the text layer and open the transform option. Inside the transform menu, go to the scale section. Turn on the scale keyframe to start animating the size of the text. For the first keyframe, scale the text down so it appears much smaller than its normal size. This will be the starting point of the animation. After setting the first keyframe, move forward a few frames on the timeline. Now select the line layer and open the effect browser again. Search for drawing process and apply it to the line layer. Move to the start of the line layer and turn on the end keyframe. Set the first end keyframe value to 0. Then move forward a few frames on the timeline and add a second keyframe. Set the second end keyframe value to 100. After completing these steps, you have successfully animated an arrow in Alight Motion.